This is LG Soundbar US60TR 5.1 channel Bluetooth soundbar with wireless subwoofer and 2 rear speakers. Switch the soundbar on and a green light is also highlighting. Once you switch it on, you will see a white color and a green light is highlighting the subwoofer to show you that they are linked together. Likewise, a green light is highlighting from the rear speaker to show you they are linked together. If you switch the soundbar off, the lights will go off. If you switch the soundbar off, the rear speaker will start to blink. The rear speaker is now blinking, and also the subwoofer is blinking. It's blinking green. Once you switch the soundbar on, it will change from red light to white color. Now select Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connection ready.
Bluetooth connection ready. We want to connect this using the mobile phone. So go to your phone settings, go to connections, switch Bluetooth on. Now once the Bluetooth is on, it will start to look for available Bluetooth device. LG US60TR is available. Select Bluetooth pairing request, select pair, and it's paired. It's connected for audio.